Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto from PayPal. First, ensure your PayPal account is fully verified and linked to a funding source like a bank or debit card. You cannot use a credit card. Make sure you have enough funds in your PayPal balance or linked accounts. Also, be aware of PayPal's weekly purchase limit, which can be up to $100,000 in the US. Once your account is ready, open the PayPal app or website. Navigate to the crypto or finance section, usually found on the home screen or under accounts. Here, you will see the available cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Choose the one you wish to buy and review its current market price before proceeding. After selecting your cryptocurrency, enter the amount you want to buy. You can choose a one-time purchase or set up recurring buys. Confirm your preferred payment method, which can be your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Carefully review all transaction details, including any fees, before finalizing your purchase. Once purchased, your cryptocurrency will appear in your PayPal Crypto Hub. Remember, you generally cannot transfer crypto out of PayPal to an external wallet. Be aware that selling crypto or using it for purchases is considered a taxable event. PayPal provides statements to help with tax reporting, but consulting a tax professional is always recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.